What's going on, guys? So we are in Tampa, Florida at the Florida RV Super Show, and we're going to take a look at this TRAILMANOR 2720 Sport. This thing is absolutely insane, and yeah, this is cool how they've managed to make all of this work. So when I first saw this, I had my own preconceived notions of how this thing folds up, gets low, gets compact. I had no idea that it did it the way that they showed me, and essentially that folds down, this folds down inwards like that. It makes it much shorter, and it explains a little bit more about this front hitch that they have, which actually swings out of the way. You unpin it, you can swing the whole hitch out of the way. That way, whenever you're storing it, let's say you put it inside of your garage, you have the ability to make it just short enough to fit. So we're gonna take a closer look at this thing. We're gonna look at the numbers on it, which are way back here. This has a gross vehicle weight rating of 5,000 pounds. It has a cargo capacity of 1,620 pounds, and it rides on one single 5,200 pound axle, Westlake Mud Legend tires. But this thing is very, very different, very unique. I think you have a window up front here as well. But let's hop inside and see what you get with this size of space. Now, they have a lot of other floor plans as well, so if you're looking for something a little bigger or a little smaller, but I have a feeling this is probably on the largest size of what they make. Let's hop in this 2720 QS.
What's going on, everybody? You already know Liquified is the best RV toilet tank treatment in the industry. I have an announcement. Join me on YouTube February 16th for the official launch of Liquishine. Be there or be square.
All right, so you got windows going around here. You have a really shallow ceiling height to this, which is kind of crazy. 3-burner cooktop, convection microwave, and probably the cutest, most compact cabinet I've ever seen. That is super cool. I mean, seriously, this thing is tiny. It's like maybe a foot tall, maybe 16 inches wide. I kind of want that. I don't even know why, but that's really cool. Got a window here. Looks like some of this stuff moves. Oh wow, so check that out. It's a drawer that's portable. And I feel like some of this stuff is designed so it can move, so you can close it up. Like this right here, I'm guessing, yep, also moves, because if you want to be able to close the top down, this can't stick up this high. So it's kind of interesting how they've done this. Here is your bathroom, and it is not a wet bath. So you actually have a stand-up shower right here. Porcelain foot flush toilet, maybe. It is a porcelain toilet. Plastic sink. Kind of an interesting laminated surround, but you do have the door right here, and you can see that the door actually collapses down so you can lower the whole roof. Right here you have a bunk, so this is one of the sleeping areas. And then coming around this way, we have another cabinet, which again, I believe dismounts off the wall, because you need to be able to take all this down if you're going to lower this properly. Nice laminate countertop here, good size sink. Cabinets down below, but this actually gives you access to a lot of your water systems. Go Power 30 amp charge controller right here. Compact Everchill refrigerator freezer. So over here we have some cool little tables that flip up. So if you sit down, this thing actually looks really comfortable. Let's find out. It is very comfortable. I'm surprised at how comfortable this is, considering what it is. And you got this ledge that goes all the way around. You have the window that's currently covered up right there. You have some extra storage right there. But what you want to pay attention to in this is the fact that this thing folds up into an RV that is much, much smaller than what you're looking at. Right, so this right here is a jackknife sofa, so you'll be able to turn that into a bed. Again, you got these cool little folding nightstands, but all of this comes in and folds down. This part comes in and folds down, and it turns into, again, something much, much smaller, which is really going to be helpful for a lot of folks who might have a limited amount of space that they can keep their RV and they don't want to put it in storage, right? You could keep this next to your house, in your driveway possibly, and it's just a really great setup. This thing's super, super cool, but I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Please drop a comment below. Let me know if you have anything like this. The process of setting it up and breaking it down, I think for most people is manageable. But This is definitely unique, and I'd love to hear your feedback. Drop a comment. Guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. Before we do that, a little bit of storage, and some drawers, and some more cabinet storage. Anyways, we'll talk to you again very, very soon.